हेलो एवरीवन। आईपीसी के रिलेटेड केस लॉज में ये सेकंड वीडियो है। हम इससे पहले अपना पहला वीडियो डाल चुके हैं जिसमें हम आईपीसी के क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस कर रहे हैं। आइए उसी सीरीज़ को कंटिन्यू करते हैं इस सेकंड वीडियो के साथ। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग केस इज रिलेटेड टू जॉइंट लाइबिलिटी अंडर आईपीसी? ए आर वर्सेज आर्नल्ड, बी महबूब शाह वर्सेज एम्परर, सी आर वर्सेज हेंस, डी आर वर्सेज प्रिंस। करेक्ट आंसर इज महबूब शाह वर्सेज एम्परर। Second question, the provision that act done in good faith for the benefit of child or insane person or by consent of guardian is provided under which section of IPC? A section 89, B section 88, C section 90, D section 87. Correct answer is section 89. Question number 3, Z under the influence of involuntary drunkenness attempts to kill A. Here Z is guilty of the offense of A attempt to murder, B murder, C culpable homicide, D no offense. The answer is no offense. Question number 4, the presence of abettor when offense is committed is provided under IPC under section 117, section 116, section 113, D section 114. Correct answer is D section 114. Question number 5, A without any excuse fires a loaded cannon into a crowd of persons, kills one of them. Here A has committed the offense of A culpable homicide, B grievous hurt, C murder, D criminal force. Correct answer is C murder. Section 366B of IPC is related to the offense of A importation of girls from foreign country, B procuration of minor girl, C kidnapping or abduction in order to murder, D none of the above. Correct answer is importation of girl from foreign country. Section 366B, importation of girl from foreign country. Question number 7, attempt to commit robbery. Attempt to commit robbery is punishable under IPC in section 390, B section 391, C section 392, D section 393. Correct answer is section 392. Attempt to commit robbery is punishable under IPC in section 392. A by pledging as diamond articles which he knows are not diamond, intentionally deceives Z and thereby dishonestly induces Z to lend money. Here A is guilty of the offense of A dishonest misappropriation of property, B cheating, C thuggy, D robbery. Correct answer is cheating. Question number 9, whoever being the husband or relative of the husband of a woman subjects to such woman to cruelty shall be punished with A imprisonment for a term which may extend to 2 years, B fine only, C imprisoned for a term which may extend to 3 years and shall also be liable to fine, D none of the above. Correct answer is C imprisonment for a term which may extend to 3 years and shall also be liable to fine. Question number 10, under which of the following section IPC marriage ceremony fraudulently gone through without the lawful marriage is punishable? A section 494, B section 496, C section 495, D section 498. The correct answer is B section 496. In which of the following offense mens rea is not an essential element under the IPC? Correct answer is bigamy. In bigamy, mens rea is not an essential part. Under IPC, the offense of stalking has been defined under section 354D. In section 354D, offense of stalking has been defined. Gyan Kaur versus State of Punjab is related with which of the following offense? A murder, B culpable homicide, C attempt to commit suicide, D abetment to suicide. Correct answer is attempt to commit suicide. Important case है ये. A is the lover of B's wife and receives valuable property belonging to the husband, knowing that she has no such authority, is the guilty of offense of theft. Under which of the following offense of IPC even preparation to commit theft of an offense is also punishable with rigorous imprisonment? A theft, B murder, C rape, D dacoity. Correct answer is D dacoity. Dacoity is the correct answer. A instigates B to murder C, but the offense however is not committed. Here A is liable. A to fine of maximum 10,000, B to imprisonment up to 14 years and fine, C to imprisonment for 7 years and fine, D Nothing, as no offense was committed. Correct answer is C, to imprisonment for up to 7 years and fine. Question number 17. A causes cattle to enter upon a field belonging to B, intending to cause and knowing that it likely to cause damage to B's crop. A is the guilty of the offense of A, theft, B, criminal trespass, C, criminal misappropriation, D, mischief. Correct answer is mischief. A found B, a feeble old woman, stealing his crop and beats her so violently that she died. Here A would be liable for the offense of culpable homicide. Which one of the following is not an essential element of the offense of acid attack mentioned under section 326A of IPC? Options are A, partial damage, deformity or burn, B, maiming, disfigurement or disablement, C, only bodily pain, D, damage, disfigurement or grievous hurt. Correct answer is only bodily pain, is because in this question it is asked is not an essential element of section 326A. Question number 20. Where a man secretly captures images of a woman who was using washroom for changing her clothes will be guilty for the offense under IPC under section 354C. A man who monitors the use by a woman of internet, email or any other form of electronic communication commits the offense of stalking. The famous pronouncement of Delhi High Court regarding constitutional validity of section 377 IPC was reversed by the Supreme Court in Suresh Kaushal versus Naos Foundation. The legality of section 377, इसके ऊपर हम जल्दी एक नया केस लॉ को डिस्कस करते हुए हम वीडियो बनाने जा रहे हैं, जिसको आप ज़रूर देखें. हम जल्दी ये अपलोड करेंगे. For the offense relating to marriage under IPC, the minimum punishment has been provided under A, section 493 and 494, B, section 498, C, section 497, D, section 495. The correct answer is B, section 498. Question number 24. A enters B house through a window with a view to intimidate B. Here A has committed the offense of A, theft, B, extortion, C, housebreaking, D, none of the above. Correct answer is housebreaking. A pulls an earring worn by a woman, thereby tears and wounds her ear badly. Here A is guilty of the offense of A, mischief, B, robbery, C, extortion, D, misappropriation. Misappropriation नहीं है, robbery नहीं है, extortion नहीं है. The correct answer will be mischief. Which of the following is not correctly matched? In this question, which of the following is not correctly matched? We have to see this. Section 366A, procurement of minor girl, is correctly matched. Section 372, selling minor for prostitution, is correctly matched. Section 376B, sexual intercourse by a man with his wife during separation, is correctly matched. And section 497, enticing away a married woman with criminal intent. This question is not correctly matched. So correct answer is D, section 497. According to section 80 of IPC, nothing is an offense which is committed by a child under 7 years of age. Dolly Incapax. The offense of dacoity under IPC may be committed by way of A, theft only, B, extortion only, C, cheating only, D, robbery only. Correct answer is D, robbery only. Under which section of IPC the punishment for attempting to commit offense punishable with imprisonment for life or other imprisonment is provided? A, section 508, B, section 509, C, section 511, D, section 510. Correct answer is section 511. The minimum number of persons to an agreement to be designated as criminal conspiracy under section 120A of IPC is A, 2, B, 3, C, 4, D, 5. Correct answer is 2. Under IPC, whosoever by force, compels or by deceitful means induces any person to from any place to commit the offense of A, kidnapping, B, abduction, C, wrongful restraint, D, abetment. Correct answer is abduction. Dishonest misappropriation of property possessed by deceased person at the time of his death is an offense punishable under the IPC is section 404. According to section 304B of IPC, whoever commits dowry death is punished with imprisonment which is not less than 7 years. Which of the following offence was not inserted in IPC by Criminal Law Amendment Act 2013? Sexual harassment was inserted by Criminal Amendment 2013. Stalking was also inserted. Voyeurism was also inserted by Criminal Amendment Act 2013. Only lurking house trespass was not inserted because it was already there in IPC. So the correct answer is D, lurking house trespass. So these were all the questions we have discussed in the second video of MCQ related, and we will again make further videos in which we will discuss the MCQs of various laws. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe us.